Okay, because we had Sundays yesterday, thanks to my brother and sister-in-law, I'm going to have some whipped topping in my coffee this morning. Yummy! A little celebration in the morning. I love it. Okay, so this morning I made breakfast sandwiches, and we had whipped cream in our coffee. Little Zane's having some breakfast with us. And the girls are having hot chocolate. We're taking it easy this morning. We all slept in. Nice, except for Zane. But
don't dip that far.
Is it good? Yummy. Do you guys are you using Ray Dunn?
Yes.
No.
Look, we are.
Yeah, nice.
Mine's just a white one.
Okay, so that's what we're up to. Okay, so I got Hunter. He's going to the vets today to have his yearly shots. Are you excited, Hunter? Are you excited to go with Mama? I have been walking him around for like 4 or 5 hours this morning, and he will not poop. So I was supposed to bring a stool sample with me. I don't know what they're gonna do. They just run it for tests and stuff, so maybe they won't, I don't know, be worried about it, or maybe he'll poop when we get there. Stubborn dog. Oh my goodness, you will not poop. But anyways, we're going off to the vets for his yearly shots. We at the doctor's. I'm trying to go pee. Let's see if he poops. Good boy. Can you go poo-poo? You like coming here. You always get treats, don't you? You always get treats, huh? Yeah. What do you think? Are you excited to be here? Oh, excuse me. Get down. Hunter did so good at the vets. They said his weight is excellent. And he's doing so well. He got all his shots, so he's good for another year, buddy. You're good. He said you're so handsome. Yes, he said you were so handsome. And that whenever we get a sample, we'll just bring it in, and then he'll be all set. Yeah, no big deal, right? Yeah, you ready to go home? Hunter, you ready to go home? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we just had lunch, and now we're headed to go to Great Escape and get a few things at Target that we need to get. Are you guys excited? Yay! It's pretty hot, but we want to go and have some dinner there later, and they have fireworks.
Wait,
so
they have fireworks?
Yeah, tonight they have fireworks for 4th of July. So that's where we're off to. Look at that big guy. What do you think? Woo! What do you think? Woo! Wow! Are you having fun at Great Escape? Are you having fun? Yeah! What ride are we on? Desperado Plunge! Oh my goodness! Woo! Wow! Oh, it's so full! Did you get wet? You're sitting in a puddle? Yeah. Keep your hands inside. We don't want to bang any fingers. Wow, this is rough. Goodness.
What do you think? I'm sitting in a puddle. I'm scared.
You're scared? Who's in here? Oh my goodness. They're working. They're working. Yep, get ready for the drop. I did not do it! Look at me! We didn't get any soap! You did? Cool. Is this a general store? Nice. Come on.
It looks like a school.
It's a store. There's the bank. The jail. Cool. Go look in the whale. What's in there? What's in the whale?
We're going to go in the whale's mouth, Mommy.
Really?
Yeah.
The yellow fisherman. Oh my goodness.
He got trapped.
He's in the whale. Are you going on the carousel? Charlie, are we going on the carousel? Nice. Are you excited, Zane? Zane!
This is the first thing that
Are you excited?
This is his first time.
Yeah, it's his first time. What do you think? Oh my goodness, it goes up and down so much. Woo! What do you think, Zane? Zane! Charlie, you having fun? Yay!
My horse is getting...
Yeah. What do you think, Bud?
The Coca-Cola July 4th Fest.
You ready,
Fireworks
Charlie?
spectacular. Get ready and count down with us.
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
He likes them.
What do you think, Bud? Your first fireworks?
You like that? You like that?
Woo! What do you think? What do you
Do you
think?
like the thing? He's like, this is so cool.
Not even bothered.